Today's weather is sponsored by McClintock Preferred Finishes, wholesale and supply store, with 2 locations, one in Paducah, Kentucky, and the other in Evansville, Indiana. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is March 25th, 2017. It's about 2:45. Look at this visible satellite imagery. Beautiful satellite today. You can see the sun coming up and streaking across the U.S. there. Check out this swirl. This is an upper level low, stacked low, as a matter of fact. So your low pressure center here, and it's stacked all the way up in the atmosphere. Get this spin, this counterclockwise, looks like a big comma. Cold air aloft up here, and that's why we get some thunderstorm development over this. Now we've been watching today to see, first off, if we would have any sunshine, and if so, how much. Would the atmosphere become unstable again, and might we have some more heavy thunderstorms? We did have heavy storms last night across southeast Missouri. Missouri Boot Hill had a little bit of damage. We had one warning, and the system kind of washed out over Southern Illinois and West Kentucky. We still had some gusty winds, but for the most part, it washed out as anticipated. So we'll keep watching this area this afternoon into the evening hours. Let me just load up radar for you. You can see a little bit of a swirl. You can see how it's moving northward, and back here it's even moving a little bit to the northwest. We may have some thunderstorms develop over the coming hours, starting to see a little bit heavier activity there in western New Madrid County. Again, it's about 2:45. Keep an eye on this. The main concern today, we've always had a low risk for severe weather first off. So the main concern will be hail, because there's some cold air aloft, and that might be enough to produce some hail in the area. Nickel size, maybe even quarter size. Can't rule out. A couple of warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings for hail. Now, the damaging wind threat is small, and the tornado risk is even smaller today. I never tell you it's a zero risk when we do have some severe thunderstorms, but the overall risk for damaging winds and tornadoes is small. Greater risk for some reports of hail as we move through the coming hours. Now, tonight we'll lose the heating of the day, cooler, we'll start to lose some of that energy in these showers and storms. Later tonight will start to wane. As we move through the night, the whole system will also push on off to the east-northeast. Still probably going to have some wraparound clouds tomorrow. Now, we'll have to keep an eye on that, because if we do have wraparound clouds, probably going to have to shave off 5 to 10 degrees on the thermometer. If we had sunshine tomorrow, we're looking at 68 to 74 degrees. But if those clouds linger, this backside of the system as it pulls away, you're going to cut those temperatures down into the, let's say, 58 to 64 degree range. Keep an eye on that. The best chance for the clouds would be over Illinois and Kentucky, again, since the system's moving northeast. And some showers may remain in the area tomorrow morning, let's say before 10 or 11 a.m. All precipitation should have moved on out by late morning, afternoon hours. We should be dry. Again, we'll keep an eye on this wraparound. Sometimes these wraparounds can mess up a forecast, but tomorrow is the peak day of the weekend, obviously. Today has been showery and rainy. All right, I'll keep an eye on the thunderstorms this afternoon. You can find me under Bo Dotson Weather on Facebook. I do have a current thread. Just watch for comments under there. You can ask questions. Bo Dotson on Twitter. And you can sign up for the text messages at weathertalk.com.